Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use waypoints on your Apple Watch Ultra. To begin, simply open the Compass app on your watch. From there, tap the waypoint icon, which looks like a small pin, to instantly mark your current location. You can then easily view all your saved waypoints by tapping the waypoints icon, allowing you to see a list of all your important spots. Once you have a waypoint saved, navigating to it is straightforward. Simply select your desired waypoint from the list within the Compass app. Your Apple Watch Ultra will then display an on-screen arrow, guiding you directly to your destination, along with the precise distance remaining. For added safety, the Backtrack feature allows you to retrace your exact path back to your starting point, perfect for outdoor adventures. Your Apple Watch Ultra offers great flexibility in customizing your waypoints. You can easily edit their names to be more descriptive and assign distinct icons, like a car or a house, for quick identification. Furthermore, you have the option to share your created waypoints with friends or family, making group navigation simpler. The watch can also automatically generate waypoints for your cellular connection or your parked car's location. Waypoints are incredibly useful for various scenarios. When hiking, mark trailheads, campsites, or scenic viewpoints to enhance your outdoor experience. You can also mark important personal locations, such as your home or favorite coffee shop, for quick reference. Remember that continuous GPS usage, while precise, can impact your Apple Watch Ultra's battery life, so plan accordingly for longer excursions to ensure you have power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.